here from Contixo. Today I'll be unboxing one of our new series of kids tablets, the new Contixo V10. Our V10 Kids tablet is loaded with many more features than our previous V10 model. Our new V10 has an HD LCD touchscreen, Google Kids Space, Android 11 Go, and over 20 teacher-approved learning apps pre-installed. The level of advanced parental controls of our V10 Kids tablet offers state-of-the-art controls through Google Family Link. Also comes with a protective case with kickstand for hard bumps and falls. Stylus touch pen included as well. Hours and loads of fun to keep our little ones busy with learning. Our new V10 Kids tablet features with learning apps, books, and videos to help discover, create, and grow young minds. This tablet is perfect for early childhood development. I hope you enjoyed the unboxing video. If you did, give it a like. If you have any other questions, leave them in the comments below and we'll do our best to help. And be sure to subscribe to our channel for more tech tips here with your friends at Contixo.